The birthday surprise. Emma's birthday is coming soon. She is excited but worried because she doesn't know if her friends will remember. She thinks it will be just a normal day. Emma's best friends, Jake and Mia, want to give her a big surprise. They plan a special birthday party for Emma. They decide to decorate Emma's house with balloons and streamers. They also buy Emma's favorite cake chocolate with lots of frosting. Jake and Mia work together to prepare for the party. They set up the decorations and prepare the food. They also invite all of Emma's friends to make sure she has a great time. On Emma's birthday, she goes to her house after school. She is surprised when she walks inside and sees all the decorations. Her friends shout, "Happy birthday, Emma." She is very happy and feels loved. They sing birthday songs, eat cake, and play games. Emma enjoys the party and is thankful for her wonderful friends. She tells Jake and Mia that this is the best birthday she has ever had. As the party ends, Emma feels grateful and happy. She knows her friends care about her and that she is very lucky to have them. The day is full of joy and laughter. And Emma will always remember this special birthday. I've prepared a few questions, and I'll give you 10 seconds to think of the answer. Then, I'll give you the correct answer. Ready? Let's begin. Question 1. What does Emma think her birthday will be like? A. Amazing. B. Boring. C. Just a normal day. Question 2. Who are Emma's best friends? A. Jake and Mia. B. John and Sarah. C. Mike and Anna. Question 3. What kind of cake do Jake and Mia buy for Emma? A. Vanilla cake. B. Chocolate cake. C. Strawberry cake. Question 4. What do Emma's friends shout when she enters her house? A. Surprise. B. Happy birthday, Emma. C. Welcome home. Question 5. How does Emma feel at the end of the party? A. Tired and bored. B. Grateful and happy. C. Angry and sad.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video.